Hey guys, this is Rebel Crusher Q&A. I'm Bob, and today we're going to be taking questions, whether you call in or email, regarding your needs, whether you're processing concrete, asphalt, rocks. Basically, we're here to answer any of your questions, and it looks like we have an email today from Rick in New York, and Rick's email says, how much money could I make or save if I'm recycling concrete? So Rick, great question. It does have a lot to do with where you're located. So, I would look at the New York rates for what crushed concrete is selling for. Possibly as a barometer, you'd look at the price of crushed stone in your area, and that'll give you a general idea what you can expect to make if you're crushing concrete. In general, we want to make sure you're making the right products, right? Because it doesn't do any good to make the wrong product, whether it's fast or slow. So we want to make sure we're making the product that's in demand. So once we're doing that, then typically, I'm going to just give you a nationwide average. Average clients, let's say running the Rebel Crusher, are going to generate $500 to $1,000 an hour. Okay, so you figure on the low end, $500 an hour, 8-hour day, $4,000 a day. 5 days a week, $20,000 a week. Okay, so it's obviously a license to steal. Now, yes, there are, definitely considerations that go beyond just the gross profit, gross number, right? You want to look at, what are all your costs? But at the end of the day, the costs are significantly less than $4,000 a day. Typically, the number one cost to run the Rebel is fuel. It costs you about $21 an hour. If you're grossing 500 plus an hour, it really doesn't make that much of a difference. Yes, you can look at all the other factors, your labor cost, the loader that's feeding it, your monthly payment, but it's so healthy, so profitable that you really don't have to focus on that as much as you have to focus on where am I getting the material from, and basically, where is my market? Who am I going to sell it to? So, but if you have those things lined up, you can use the broad strokes of around $4,000, $5,000 a day gross, and that would answer your question, how much money can I make? As far as saving money, I'd be looking at your landfill costs, how much is it costing you to haul it away, your trucking fees. These are all things that factor in, and basically that's gravy for you. Your potential savings, okay, is just gravy on what you're actually going to sell the material for. So we do want to look at you in particular, so call us, email us so that, we can dive into your particular situation and hone in on, is the Rebel the right machine for you? But I mean, we've got them all over New York, and everybody in the New York area is making money with it. They're very happy, so it's probably the perfect machine for you. But give us a call. Great question. Look forward to hearing from you. Thanks, Rick.